Good morning, everyone. This is Teacher Joanna, and I will be your teacher in English. Now, before we start our lesson, let us first have a spelling. Now, get your spelling notebooks and your pencils. Okay, do you have your spelling notebooks? How about your pencils? Okay, so let's start. Let's start, everyone. So, number one, fail. You never fail to amaze me. Spell the word fail. Number two, mail. The postman delivered the mail. Spell the word mail. Number three, tail. Dad tripped over the dog's tail. Spell the word tail. Number four, sail. What time does the ferry sail? Spell the word sail. And number five, snail. The snail left a trail on the path. Spell the word snail. Okay, time is up. Pencils up. Let's check your answers. Okay, are you ready? Okay, so number one, everyone, fail. Spell the word fail. F-A-I-L, fail. Number two, mail. Spell the word mail. M-A-I-L, mail. Number three, tail. Spell the word tail. T-A-I-L, tail. Number four, sail. Spell the word sail. S-A-I-L. And number five, snail. Spell the word snail. S-N-A-I-L. So those are the spelling of the words. Who got perfect? Very good. How about 4? 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so everyone, clap your hands to yourselves. You did great. Okay, so now let's proceed to our tongue twister. So everyone, let us read the tongue twister all together, but slowly. Okay, so freshly fried flying fish. Okay, your turn. Very good. Again, everybody, freshly fried flying fish. Okay, can you read it faster? Very good. Can you read it faster than that? Okay, very good. So now, everyone, let us talk about collective nouns. Are you familiar of collective nouns? Okay, so how about nouns? Okay, do you still remember what is a noun? A noun is the name of a person, place, animal, thing, or event. So that is noun. But today, we are going to talk about collective nouns. Now, are you ready to listen? Okay, so everyone, when we say collective nouns, these are the words that refer to a group of person or things. Okay, so if a noun or if a word refers to a group of person or thing, we call it collective noun. Do you understand me? If it refers to a group, okay, it is collective noun. So I have here some examples. So the examples are audition, committee, herd, flock, dozen, team, class, and group. So those words are referring to a group, not just a person, not just things, animals. Just remember that if the word refers to a group, it is collective noun. Do you understand me? Okay, so I have your examples of collective nouns, everyone. A tube of toothpaste. Okay? A piece of jewelry. Okay? A pile of money. A drop of rain. A bunch of keys. A deck of cards. A bar of soap. a battery of tests, a chest of drawers, a ball of wool, a fleet of ships, a fleet of vehicle, a gallon of gasoline, a pair of shoes, a library of books, a grove of trees, a roll of film, a piece of paper, a set of tools, an album of photographs. So what are the other collective nouns that you know? Okay, can you tell me some collective nouns that you know? There are also collective nouns for animals such as a flock of birds, a herd of um, a herd of cattle. Okay, a school of fish. What else? Okay, a herd of wolves. Opo. So what are the other collective nouns that you know? Okay, very good. So now, I want you to know that when a collective noun describes a group of person or things seen as a whole, it requires a singular verb. So when does the collective noun requires a singular verb? If it describes a group of person or thing seen as a whole. Okay, again, when does collective noun requires a singular verb? Very good. A collective noun requires a singular verb if it describes a group of person or things seen as a whole. Example, the audience was amazed with the facts presented by the scientist. Okay, so what is the collective noun here? Audience. Now, audience here describe a group of person or things seen as a whole. So that's why we used the verb was. Remember, was is for singular. Okay? So, and another one is that when the collective noun describes the members of the group acting individually, the plural verb is used. So when does collective noun use plural verbs? When it describes the members of the group acting individually. Again, when does collective noun uses plural verb? Very good. When it describes the members of the group acting individually. Now here is an example. So everyone, the audience were getting up slowly to leave the theater. Okay, so what is the collective noun here? Audience. What is the verb used? Were. Okay, so because audience here describes the members of the group acting individually. Do you understand me? Okay, so just remember, if the collective noun describes a person or thing seen as a whole, it requires singular verb. But if the collective noun describes the members of the group acting individually, it requires plural verb. Do you understand me? Okay, very good. So I have your questions and we're going to answer these questions. So what is collective noun? So everyone, what is collective noun? These are words that refers to a group of person or things. Okay, everyone, what is collective noun? Very good. A group or a word that refer to a group of people or things. Okay, so what did you learn today? Today we have learned about collective nouns. Collective nouns are words that refer to a group of people or thing. Now, collective nouns requires singular verb if it describes a group of person or thing as a whole, but it requires a plural verb if it describes a member of the group acting individually. Okay, so if you really did understand the lesson, let us proceed to your practice exercise. Now, here is your practice exercise. You're going to answer language workshop letter A, page 133. So that is your practice exercise. And here is your evaluation. Now, in your evaluation, you're going to answer language workshop letter B, page 134. Okay, so don't forget to answer your practice exercise and your evaluation because Teacher Joanna will check it. Now, here is your assignment. So, your assignment is answer language workshop letter C, page 134. Now, don't forget to do your assignment. Okay, so thank you for listening. See you in our next video. Bye-bye.